Hey, welcome back to Next Trekking Adventure, and we are here at the Thousand Trails, Las Vegas. Oh, it's been a little hot. It's been in the high 90s, so we got our sunscreens down, our little porch area. Camping's pretty tight here, but you know, we've kind of carved out our little niche, and we got some meat on the smoker. Cooking tri-tip tonight. Can't wait to have it. How we like to cook it is 15 to 17 minutes on each side, 375, kind of depending on how it's cooking, on the Traeger Ranger Smoker. Oh, I can't wait. So I'll keep you posted on how it's turning out. Stay tuned. What you doing, Miss Terry?
Making us, almost said Super Bowl. Monday Night Football.
Monday Night Football! Oh, it's loading there. But we're gonna have Monday Night Football on. We got the ice maker outside. We're cooking that tri-tip. The tri-tip's ready to be turned though. Oh, look at that. That's a nice piece of meat right there. Yeah, so we're all set up outside here. We're gonna watch some Monday Night Football. Got our tri-tip dinner cooking. But yeah, Monday Night Football tri-tip. It doesn't get any better than this, folks. Right here at the let's check in. I think it's getting pretty darn close. Oh, it's looking good. It's looking good. Got the Chiefs going on back there. Woohoo! We've taken it out. There's the tri-tip. We'll have to show you when we cut it up. But we got Monday Night Football going on. I can't keep talking to you guys. Miss Terry's got to get the dinner ready because we got to get going. But we got football inside, outside. Doesn't matter where we go tonight. We're watching Monday Night Football! Oh, we like our meat medium rare. But what if our guests don't like it medium rare? We ask them politely, but firmly, to leave. Thank you for giving us a few minutes of your time. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It really does help us.